4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. This has been your worry for a long time, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in less than a month. Hey hustlers, welcome to another episode with Claudia from Group TV. I'm excited to be here today because, you guys have been bombarding me with emails. Well, I love it, but I'll prefer you guys to, comment, because when you comment on my videos, it's actually helping my videos to grow. But it gets as to be most of you want to keep your feelings to yourself. I think you guys are ashamed to drop the first comment, things like that. But it's okay. Let's go. Hey there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online, and how you can build wealth. And also, we talk about how you can grow your YouTube channel. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, you want to stick around till the end to get the most value from this video. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. I truly appreciate all the effort you put into growing this small, amazing community. I love you guys. Big thanks to you all for all your support. Now, you guys have had this worry, especially for the small YouTubers, for a very long time, and I've been seeing your emails, but I have been testing different strategies to see which of them works better. Now, I'm going to break this down to you, but it is very, very important. If you're a small YouTuber, or not, let me not say small YouTuber, if you're a startup content creator, this one will work perfectly for you. Now, for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and also YouTube can actually monetize you when you get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Now, a lot of startup YouTubers will get this 500 subscribers, but to be able to get this watch hours is always difficult. I went through that process. Yes, I did. And I think I have learned from my error, because if I knew about this before beginning my YouTube channel, or when I just started out, it would have been very, very easy for me. But nonetheless, I learned so that I can help you to get better, or to get your monetization faster. Now, the easiest way for you to gain this 4,000 watch hours is going live on your YouTube. Now, this is one of the things I neglected, and I think I just started like a month ago going live, and I could be able to grow from, I think, 2,000 subscribers to over 4,000 subscribers in less than no time. And although I cannot go live every day, but I will tell you for free, if you want to grow your YouTube channel to any level, I'm not saying this just for the startup content creators, I'm talking about anyone on YouTube. If you are on YouTube or any other social media platform and you want to grow faster, go live. People love engaging live, so this is one of the things you want to do on YouTube to make sure that you get this 4,000 watch hours in less than a month. You can decide to take a month going live every other day. You can even forget about, recording and posting videos on your channel. I'm not saying you should do that, but you can still do that. Decide to just go live every other day, maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes, and then you engage with your audience. It's going to be difficult when you just start out, because when you start, sometimes you will be live alone. I think I've talked about this on one of my live streams, but most of you don't join my live stream. That is why I decided to do this video. So people want to engage on the live stream. It's going to be difficult when you start up, but no problem. If you start up and no one joins your live stream, or you just see people popping in and popping out, pretend as if you're talking to a room of 50 million people and just, talk for 30 minutes, laugh on your own, and then you end your live stream and you go away. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because I've been through that. I've been live several times and I see just myself. I'm talking just to myself. But the algorithm of YouTube might fail you that first time, but when you keep reminding the algorithm by going live that you're always live, it will also be recommending your live streams to other people. And there is something you need to know about the population right now, or this era where we are. Everyone wants to belong where people are. So they want to scroll or they want to go to a live stream where they see thousands of people or hundreds of people. But before they got to that level, these YouTubers to the level of getting 10 people, 100 people, they actually started getting no one on their live streams at all. But they kept on. That is why they could be able to get to that stage. So if you try the first, the second, the third, and you're live alone, keep going live. The algorithm of YouTube will keep reminding people, because when you start out, the algorithm doesn't yet, feel familiar with the fact that this channel always goes live. So might neglect you for the first day, but second day you would see a difference. Third day you will see a difference, and that is how you will keep growing. And the advantage of going live is this. You don't have to record. You don't have to edit what you're recording, all right? So you just go live, you talk to them, or you talk to your camera, and then you end the live, and the live is still there, or the video is still there on your platform. Unlike other social media platforms, let me take for example Facebook. They will give you like 1 month for your live stream to be on your platform, and after 1 month it will disappear. Or TikTok, immediately you're done, it disappears. No, YouTube, your live stream will be there forever. I think I've not really checked, but you'll be there forever, and then you will keep making money from it. So even if they don't watch you when you're live, when you are not live, they can still come back there to the live stream, to the recorded live stream, and watch it, and you are still going to get subscribers, likes, and all that, and also earn money if you are monetized. This is the easiest and fastest way for you to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And to maximize this more, make sure your live stream is longer than 1 hour. Because even if you have just one person on your live stream for this 1 hour, that is a lot of watch hours that will be recording. Remember, you're looking for watch hours. So if you have just one or two, but if you record 10 minutes video or 15 minutes video and post on your channel, someone just gets there and then maybe watch for 30 seconds and get away, your watch hours will be as little as what I can't even explain. So try as much as you can to go live often and make your live stream longer and entertaining. You want to make it entertaining so that if you have just one audience, the audience will actually stay there till the end of the video. And another easiest way for you to actually get this 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, or to get your monetization, is by you engaging with your audience. Okay, whether on your live stream or your pre-recorded and posted videos, you want to go there all the time, to ask them questions, reply to their comments, interact with them. This is going to help you keep, even if it's just one audience you got or one comment you got, make sure you respond and keep that one audience glued to your channel. Another thing for you also to do is to engage on other live streams, comment, ask questions, interact with people there. This one will also let the people to know you are a YouTuber. They can also run to your channel and see what you're doing right there. There are a lot of you that are YouTubers and you've never gone on someone else's live stream. It's just but normal for you to interact with them, just like what people do on YouTube, people do on Facebook, interact. You can co-host. You can do that. It's available on YouTube. You can co-host with another YouTuber, all right? Also go to their comment sections and, comment, put your link right there, tell them who you are, the kind of topics you talk about, just engage with them. But if you keep to yourself, I mean, no one will know you are there. You can't just depend on the algorithm, to push your videos. You who love the money, you who want to earn money, you who want to get value or to impact value on others, you want to make sure you go on other platforms or channels and let people know you are there, and also share your content on other platforms. You can share your content or highlights of your content on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, other social media platforms, and put your YouTube link right there so that they can click on the link and come to YouTube to watch your video. Now, Pinterest is another social media platform where people can, link up to your YouTube channel. So you want to do this. These are some of the things that will help you grow faster. So even though you go live, make sure you interact with others too so that you can grow. So I've been seeing your emails, with all these questions, and I just was like, okay, it's time for us to talk about how you can take a month to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I will tell you for free, this one works like magic, okay? The only problem you will have as a startup content creator on YouTube is that you cannot go live until you have 50 subscribers. Well, sorry, but you have to try as much as possible to get 50 subscribers so that you would unlock the live stream on YouTube. A lot of YouTubers don't know, but if you have less than 50 subscribers, 1, 2, 10, 20, 50. If you have less than 50, you cannot unlock live stream on YouTube. This is just I don't know if it's new on YouTube, but a lot of people are not aware. So if you have less than 50 subscribers on YouTube, try as much as you can to get to 50 or above 50, and then you can start going live stream every other day. Take a marathon. You say, I'm going to go live stream 2 times every day for the next 7 days, and you would see how much subscribers and watch hours you will get on your video. I hope this video helps you, okay? And let me know on the comment section after a week how many subscribers you've gotten and how many watch hours you've gotten. I love you all. Until next time, keep creating, keep researching, and never, ever give up on anything you do. Bye-bye.